When ordering through Sapaad.Online, your customers can sometimes run into difficulties getting their one-time password, or OTP, via SMS. Sapaad.Online offers a useful alternative, sending a one-time password via email. In this video, we'll learn how you enable OTPs to be sent via email as an alternative to SMS. Let's begin. Log into your Sapaad account. Go to Setup, Sapaad Add-ons, then select Sapaad.Online Settings. Under Primary Settings tab, look for the Enable Email OTPs option. Select the checkbox and click Save. Now click on the Synchronize tab and then click Save. And there you go! We've successfully enabled email OTPs for Sapaad.Online sign-ins. Your customers can now request to receive their sign-in OTPs via email. If you want to know how to enable the same feature on Sapaad Direct, check our video tutorial, How to Enable OTP via Email on Sapaad Direct, on our Sapaad Academy channel. Want to learn more? Click on the link below to book a demo.